Namaskar, friends. Keep learning with Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session, we will understand import cargo examination process at the custom. Although we also understand in previous session what is the seaport working. So for that special video, you can go to the playlist and watch that video. Now we will try to understand the import cargo examinations. So what examination means? Examine the goods, checking and assessment. Okay, you know that the student also go to for examinations there, they write the answer and paper will be checked. Okay, and after the results come, they will know marks. In the same way, cargo also be examined by the government officer. Okay, so what government officer will check? Government officers check out the cargo as per the foreign trade policies which amended in 5 year, rules and provision, rules and regulation according their provisions they need to follow as per import and export. So examination process means the cargo is examined as per the given documents. Okay, just like any exporters export the goods and give the documentation to government, and as per mention the details regarding the goods, this government officer will match the goods with this given document, physically examine, and as per the process they proceed for the next level. So what is the objective to examine the goods? Okay, so the government examine the goods, the reason behind that, to stop smuggling and unwanted goods which are prohibited in countries. Okay, a restricted item to check out, they these goods are examined for the both case import and export. Okay, so what process include in import examination steps? Okay, so here our topic which is called import cargo examination. Okay, so we will understand import cargo examination steps. Okay, so first step is submission of the documents, assessment, examination orders, physical inspections, verifications, duty payments, custom clearance and delivery. Okay, so these steps we will understand one by one. Okay, so let's start the session with first point, submission of the documents. Okay, so submission of documents means any importer is going to import any goods in India. So first he need to submit the document regarding the goods, what cargo is coming, in which HSN this cargo is coming. Okay, is this cargo is prohibited or restricted item? So all with along with all details, importer need to submit the document to the government called custom department. Okay, so they file their checklist through EDI. Okay, so importer and their custom house agent submit to required document like a bill of lading, commercial invoice and packing list. Okay, so the shipping link in use shipping bill used in export. So mainly document is bill of lading. This is a bill of entry mentioned, but the bill of lading and the commercial invoice packing link, these are the basic document to be submitted for the import custom examinations. Okay, so at initial level this need to be submitted. Then assessment. Okay, we have submit this document and file the custom bill of entries as a checklist for the approval. Okay, so what custom will do? Custom review the documents to ensure compliance with the classification, valuation and applicable duties. Okay, so most important thing need to understand, they assess the cargo, assess the duty bill of entries, what HSN importer and his agent file bill of entry. If it's used the incorrect HSN classification, then it need to be correct. They will object, the government will object on that. Okay, so this will assess, this process will called assessment of the cargo. Okay, checking, verify, classification, value, and applicable duties. Okay, so this process called assessment. Then examination order. After checking of the document properly, below entry filing and process, the next step is examination order. Okay, so custom issue an order for the physical documentary examination of the goods. Okay, so after the process of this assessment, these goods go for the examination order. Okay, so custom issue an order for the physically documentary examination of the goods. Means, for example, in export case, when goods are okay, then government issue the LEO, late export order. In the same way, if we are going to another country, the government officer will check out our document and verify it, and then proceed for the next step. In the same way, government issue the order for the physical documentary exam after assessment process in import. Then physically inspections. Physically inspection means that the goods are physically checked by the government officer. Customer officer physically inspect the cargo to verify the declare goods match with the shipments and ensure compliance with regulations and prohibited items. Okay, so we know that as per the foreign trade policy, some goods are prohibited and some goods are restricted, which cannot be imported and export without special permissions, or they are not allowed to export and import. So to check out this, what government officer will do, they physically inspect the cargo to verify what documents importer have declared, and this declared document must be matched with the physically goods which are stuck in cargo. If they found any mismatch, then immediately they object that shipments. Okay, so this process called physically examination, physically inspection. Okay, after that the verifications. So verification process, custom cross check the cargo details with the submit document and including weight, quantity, and the classification. So after the process of physical inspection, they verified. Another officer will verify process has been done by the another officer. They cross check the cargo details. Okay, cargo details and match with the submitted document, including weight. What is the weight of cargo? How much quantity and classifications. Okay, next step is duty payment. Okay, so after this process, the bill of entry is generated and cargo is examined and verification and all the assessment process done. Then importer need to pay custom duty. Okay, importer pay the applicable custom duties and taxes assessed. Okay, so whatever duties apply on the custom, they will importer need to pay. Okay, then clearance. After custom duty, the goods are clear from the custom side. So once examinations and payments are completed, custom grant the clearance for the goods to leave the port to bounded warehouses. Okay, bounded warehouses are the next step where goods need to be delivered. Okay, so in bounded warehouses can be kept, goods can be kept like a for storage until the transporter take the delivery of the goods. It can be kept the bounded warehouses or other warehouses. So the clearance means goods are clear from the government side. It's also called the late, sorry, out of charge. The out of charge means the government allowed to take the delivery of the cargo. Okay, then delivery. After the clearance and out of charge, goods are transported to the importer facilitated after clearance. Okay, so you know that the goods are in last step. The importers arrange the transporter, and transporter will arrange the e-way bill details. Okay, then this cargoes pick up from the airport or seaport for the next step. Okay, then you know that each step ensure the compliance with the import regulation. security and the revenue collection. Okay, why this examination process is done? Because that the compliance of the government need to be follow. Okay, import regulation need to be follow, and the revenue collections means voluntary custom duty are pay as per the provisions. So guys, we have understand in this session what is the import examination process. So guys, you can watch another very important videos in playlist of this channel. Okay, we always loaded good videos for the person who are student, who are the employees, and who are just searching the job in import export. So guys, you can connect with this channel and watch the all video which are uploaded on the channels. So thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.